Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to tell Excel not to shift uh, your formulas when you shifting it to the next cell, not to shift a particular position or ranges in the formula. Okay, so I have here salesman and respective sales and sales in thousands of rupees. Okay, and I'm going to rank here. So this the example. I'll show you how when you write a formula in a particular cell and you drag the same formula into the next cell, it also shifts relatively on all the individual options or arguments given in the formula, but you don't want a particular argument to be shifted. What you need to do, okay, in other words, how to write a relative reference in the formula, or how to avoid the relative reference in the formula. Okay, so now I just write a formula. If you don't know uh, how to do rank functions, then you can also watch my other videos for rank functions. This video is more for this video is more for teaching how to avoid the relative reference in the formula. Okay, in which way we can avoid the relative reference in the formula. Okay, before that I just copy, because it may have a previous copy, and paste. Okay, I'll delete this too. Okay, now I'm trying to write a formula here, equal to rank. Okay, I put a rank function here. I want to find this numbers position, the sales numbers position in all the numbers. Okay, so the first B2's position in all the numbers here. Okay, come on, and what is the order you want to find it. Okay, so I'm finding the sales of 70 in all the sales, and in since I want to find it top to least order, I just put a descending, and so um, Alan's position in the set of sales is sales in the third position. Okay, so now what happens here, now is our problem comes here, that if I move this, okay, to the next cell, the formula, what happens? Okay, it is moving to the fourth position, but we need to check whether it is rewriting the formula for this cell properly or not. Okay, here it is B2, which is the cell. Okay, and B2 to B11 is the set of sales given here, and descending order. Okay, descending order doesn't matter, the descending order. B3 is the set of the number which you want to find, whose position you want to find, is 35. Correct, I am finding for B3, but when you see here, it shows B3 to B12, but our range is not that B3 to B12. Our range is supposed to be the same B2 to B11, right? Is shifted, you see. So this is the problem happens when you shifting a cell formula from a cell to the next cell. It also shifts relatively in every input you have already defined in the formula. But how to avoid this? Okay, So we have a few methods to avoid. Okay, one of the thing is, this is called relative reference of the cells. Okay, what I'm doing is, I'm telling the uh, Excel, don't do the relative reference, but just keep it as absolute reference. Okay, so this one is a B2 to B11. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, when before I drag it, I just say this range is not going to change when I shift the formula into the next cells. How to do that? Okay, instead of B2 to B11, what I'm putting is $B $2 colon $B $11. That means this range is fixed. Okay, this $B $2 says that don't change the row order as well as the column order. Okay, row order is second, column order is B, right? So don't change B also as well as the 2 also when I shift. But you can also write in a way that just B and $2. That means when I shift to the next cell, you can relatively shift the column. For example, if I go to column D, you can shift that column into this formula column B to C, but don't shift the row order. You can do that one, but in our case, both, you don't change both. Okay, so when you come to the next one, it becomes 5 because the range is not shifted, but the position whose position you want to find, that value is shifted. It is moved to B3. Of course, we are finding the rank of B3 now, because every cell we are finding the corresponding rank, but the all the set of values given should not be changed. Okay, so now what I can simply put autofill, and you can see for the last position also, the last cell also, it is keeping B2 to B11, but same time the whose position you want to find, that one is relatively changed to B11, but the set is not changed to B11. Okay, this is one method of solving this problem using a dollar sign, okay, in your formulas. Okay, this is one method. Okay, what is the other thing you can do in first method? In this method, what you can do is, you can keep doing the dollar sign, especially when the formula is very lengthy. You can find lot of dollar sign there in the formula, and it is not much readable, same time readable, and also you need to every time you want to change it, you must put a dollar sign according to that. Okay, instead what I am doing it here in this second way, I show you there is no right or wrong in doing this kind of things in different methods. You must find which is easier for you. Okay, so when you come to the sales, you first define a name for this set. This the range going to change, or this the full set you are using in the formula. First define a name. How to define a name? You select the full set, right click, define name. Okay, it already proposing a name, sales. Okay, sales. Once you have given sales, you use that name in the formula. Okay, I want to find the position of 70 in the set of these values, but which is nothing but when you select itself is showing sales, or what you need to do, you simply type sales, just put yes, and you keep typing. It will show you not only the functions, also the predefined name ranges. Okay, so this sales is defined by us. You can see it is like box kind of thing here, icon. Okay, this sales. Okay, now you go and put a descending order. This time what you can do is you can simply drag and drop the formula, because it will never change the range which is sales. Okay, since you have defined the name already, it is given the full range. Okay, this way you can use range defined name functionality to avoid the relative reference inside the formulas. So you keep using given name ranges in your formulas, and avoid the relative reference which is coming unnecessarily. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my videos, just subscribe to my channel, and also like my videos, and just give your comments on my video under my videos, so that or any other help you need it on Excel, you leave it there. I will try to solve those problems. Okay, hope you like our channel. Have a good day.